Hello guys, this is Ryan Skis and I gonna show you the mini game. Means the dropper. Okay. This is map only on MCPE Master. Okay, I start now. Okay, rules: no breaking, no cheating. And map created by Jego Creeper 1234. Thanks Jego Helper. Albino, Raptor, Coco Girl, Inkling Senpai, Esayenator. Made in 2016 5/8. Okay. Let's start now. Oh, it's raining. Made by Jego Creeper, level 1. This level 2. Coco Girl, maybe it's normal. Level 3. Albinoraptor by Albinoraptor Hard. And level 4, the end. And level 5. We actually don't what to call this. Easy. Made by Inklings and coming soon. Okay, let's start on level 1. Wait. Oh, it's like Satori. That's Satori. It's so easy, man. No, that's not. It's cheating. Wait, I got it back. I'm so sorry. I just serious. So, oh no. No. Thanks Vine for helping me. I got up now. This is dropper, not ladder. Okay. Up. Oh, it's seriously. And back. It's so hurting. Oh, it's bite. Wait, where's the? Okay, this. Success. Okay, I'm gonna back down and level 2. And start on level 2 now because I'm finished the level 1. Wait. Sorry for music. Wait. It's normal color line. It's amazing. Wait, where's the yay. Yo. Whoa! Seriously? Amazing! Yes, it's normal. Okay. Why the ladder is too slow? Okay. Whoa, it's a parkour. Okay. Back and start on level 3 now. It's level 4 and this is the level 2. Hard. Oh no. I'm so sorry. What is this? Seriously. What is this? This is so weird. Okay, let's hit now. How to hit? Oh. Gift for printing from Poco. What's this? Okay. Wait. I gonna lose. Sorry. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe this channel or my group on Facebook. Join on group on Facebook. Name is Minecraft Kingdom or TerraCraft. Means Terraria in Minecraft. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya.